Future value analysis. The process of determining future value of an investment made today. The current investment can be a single sum or series of installments. This process involves the concept of compounding interest. Present value. So $1 invest now will become future value of more than $1 in the future. Illustration 1. You place $1,000 in bank deposit now at 10% annual compound rate of interest. How much would you have in the bank at the end of 3 years? So look at this time value. You deposit $1,000 today at t equals to 0. This is a timeline. So we are looking for at the end of 3 years, what's the future value? At the end of year 1, the principal is 1,000. The interest earned for year 1 is 10% times 1,000 equals to 100. It up total is 1.1k. So equals, the formula can be written as 1,000 times bracket 1 plus 0.1. At the end of year 2, the principal is 1.1k. This brings forward from the end of year 1. Interest is 10% times the new principal value of 1.1k. So the interest earned at the end of year 2 will be 110. So the total add up together is 1210. It can be written in this format. This is 1,000 times bracket 1 plus 0.1 times bracket same thing 1 plus 0.1. At the end of year 3, the new principal is 1210. Was brought forward from the end of year 2. Interest is 10% times 1210. So the interest earned will be 121. Add up the total will be 1331. We write it as formula will be 1,000 times bracket 1 plus 0.1 bracket times repeat 3 times for 1 plus 0.1. Let's look at the timeline here. At today, the present value is 1,000. At the end of year 1 is 1.1k. And in year 2, the value increased to 1.210. At the end of year 3, increases to 1331. The answer in illustration 1 can be rewritten as a formula. This is the formula. FV equals to PV times bracket 1 plus K bracket to the power n. So in fact, you substitute the figures, you can find the same answer here. The interest factor of bracket 1 plus K bracket to the power n, also known as future value interest factor, and symbolized by FVIF bracket K comma n bracket. It can be rewrite as a formula in this manner, this format. This is to facilitate calculation using the future value table, which is FVIF table. Illustration 1. Use the FVIF table to calculate the answer. So this is a formula. Substitute the figures in. PV is 1000, K is 10%, and N is 3. Refer to FVIF table. Please make sure you choose the correct table. Now we're going to extract the answer with two known variables, the K and N. With the known values of K and the known values of N, the intersection is the answer we want to find. Substitute the answer from the table into the formula, and you'll reach the final answer of 1331. Illustration 2. What is the future value of your deposit of 1000 for 10 years if you place it in another bank at 12% annual compound interest rate? So this is the formula we're going to use. Substitute the figures in. We're going to refer to the FVIF table. Just make sure you get the correct table. Next, we're going to find the answer from the table. With known value for K and known value for N, the intersection is the answer. Substitute the answer from the table into the formula, and we get an answer of 3106. The formulas for future value analysis: single cash flow. This is the formula: FV equals to PV times bracket 1 plus K bracket to power N. Or you can use table for using this formula. We know that N equals to number of periods and K is the interest rate.